Okay, so this motor is probably, I don't know, 10-15 pounds. They only give you 15 cents per pound at the scrapyard, so we're gonna take this dude apart. First, we'll strip these wires out later. Get the copper out of them. Just some long screws there. Professional scrapper, this won't take you but 2 minutes. But since I'm not, it may take me a little longer. There it is. So stator, don't need that no more. Wires are burnt up right there. We're just gonna cut it down the seam here. Alright, now that we got that open, there's a piece of cast aluminum. So next you're gonna do is bend it out. Get the casing off. So that's what you got left with. Then you get your little chisel. It's best if you sharpen these blades. Let's try that. See.